Hey everyone, welcome to Spice of Life Kitchen. Today, for Meatless Monday, Kahlua is going to show you how to make a lentil stew. So let's get cooking.
So today I'm going to do up a quick lentil stew. It's super easy as long as you get everything prepared, and then you just kind of throw everything together. It's just throw it all in the pot and then let it simmer. So you're going to need some potatoes. You could substitute regular potatoes for sweet potatoes if you'd like. Some onion, some celery, some carrots, and again you can put as much of that in it as you want. I like to put spinach in mine, so I will clean and chop all of this up, or you can just buy the baby spinach and throw that in there. You're going to need 2 cups of lentils, whatever ones you want. I wouldn't use the ones out of the can because they're kind of pre-cooked and this has to simmer for a bit, so I think they'll get too mushy. So use the ones in the bag. You just have to rinse them, and that's it. And then you're going to need 6 cups of whatever chicken broth you would like to use. Now you can also use less of this and use some of this, the chicken bouillon cubes, or you can just use these and just go according to the directions of how much water you need. But altogether you will need 6 cups of liquid to cook this properly. And you'll also need 1 jar or 1 can of pureed tomatoes or crushed tomatoes, or you could put whole tomatoes in it if you'd like. Just increase, if you're using like the canned tomatoes, just increase it a little bit so you get enough in there. And then for the seasonings, again, you can make this how you want. This is how I do it. You could put something more or take something out. So I have a half a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of curry, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a couple bay leaves. Also, I do put fresh garlic. Again, put as much as you'd like, or not at all. Make it yours. So I'm going to get all of this prepared, get it all chopped up, and then we're going to throw it all in the pot and get it simmering. So all of our vegetables are cut up. Now we're going to get ready to saute everything and get it going. So you're going to put a couple teaspoons of olive oil in your pot. Get it hot. Once your pot gets hot, add everything. Just add everything to the pot. Give it a good saute. Now you're going to add all your seasonings in there. Throw in your 2 cups of lentils. Put in your 6 cups of broth, or 4 cups of broth and 2 cups of water. I'm going to do the 4 cups of broth and 2 cups of water because I only have 1 box of broth. So 2 cups of broth and 4 cups of broth and 2 cups of water. And then you're just going to cook this on like a medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until all your vegetables are cooked and your lentils. Give it a taste, you know, if they still feel kind of like hard on the hard side, just keep cooking them until they get soft. Usually near the end I just turn it down and just check it every couple minutes, put a lid on it. So go about, do what you're going to do, and then just come back and check it every few minutes. At this point too, you can add in your crushed tomatoes. And you can give it a taste. You know, there's nothing raw in there that's going to make you sick. So give it a taste just for seasoning. See if you need a little bit more cumin or salt. So we're going to be adding spinach to this, but before you do that, you want to remove the bay leaves. Okay. As you can see, it's all thick. I've tasted mine and ingested it for seasoning. So at this point, you want to, if you want, we like to, I'm going to put a couple handfuls of some chopped spinach in here. And then it'll just wilt in there. It'll cook pretty fast. So it's all ready. This took a total of 40 minutes, 45 minutes. 10-15 minutes of that was just chopping up the vegetables and preparing them. The rest, like I said, it just simmered on the stove until it got thickened and all my vegetables were cooked. I have froze this in individual servings for grab and go lunches, so it freezes well. Like I said, you can make it your own. You could add sweet potato, you know, anything you'd like, really.
And it's all ready to go. So if you wanted this 100% vegan, just change out the chicken broth for vegetable broth. That's the chicken broth's the only thing that makes this not 100% vegan. But you won't even miss the meat. I want meat in every meal, but this is so good you don't even miss the meat. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when we post another video, and we'll talk to you later.